Good morning, everybody. Last time we have to taken some numerical problem. Today I will take some numerical problem because this problem must be asked in your examination for 2 to 4 marks. Some problem ask for 2 marks and some problem ask for 3 to 4 marks because big problem ask in your examination for 4 marks in your online and short problem ask for 2 marks. And therefore, in this chapter, electricity, magnetism and semiconductor, you have to read some big problem and short problem and its formula. Formula is very important in this chapter or in this unit. This chapter occurs from MHBT 16 marks, and generally on this particular chapter 2 to 3 numerical problem may be asked in your online examination. So my friends, I will take again some numerical problem. So first problem, calculate the electric field at a point 50 centimeter from a charge 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb in a medium of dielectric constant 3.6. So in this problem we have to given the value of Q, value of Q is 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. Value of K, that is dielectric constant, is 3.6. R, this is the radius we have to given in the problem 50 centimeter. This 50 centimeters we have to convert in 0.5 meters. Then value of E, so this is our formula, E equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 into Q upon KR square. So this given value, all these given value we have to put in this numerical formula. E equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 6. Keeping your mind, here is minus 10 to the power minus 6. 3.6 into 10, 0.5 into 0.5. So we have to multiply and division. So after that, our answer is E equal to 0.48 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per coulomb. And this is our answer. Then second problem, two charges of 4 microcoulomb and 16 microcoulomb are placed 40 centimeter apart in air. Calculate the force between them. What is your problem? Two charges of the 4 microcoulomb and 16 microcoulomb are placed 40 centimeter apart in air. Calculate the force between them. So our solution in this numerical problem, we have to given the charge 1 and charge 2, so that is Q1 and Q2. So Q1 equal to 4 microcoulomb and Q2 equal to 16 microcoulomb. Then R is the radius, that is 40 centimeter. So this 40 centimeter we have to convert in meter. And after that we have to use formula F equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 into Q1 Q2 upon KR square. So in this formula, the force of attraction F, we have to put all the Q1 values. F equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 4 into 16. This is the value of Q1 and Q2 upon value of K. Does not given in the numerical problem. So we can write the value of K is 1 into 0.4 into 0.4. This is the value of radius. So multiply and division, we get F equal to 3.6 N. This is the Newton, and this value we have to calculate the force between them. So in this problem we have to calculate force and the value of force is 3.6 Newton. So student or my friends, here is formula is very important. Next problem, the force of attraction between two charges of 30 microcoulomb and 50 microcoulomb. Keeping your mind, the force of attraction between two charges of 30 microcoulomb and 50 microcoulomb are separated by 1 meter distance is 13.5 Newton. Then dielectric constant of medium 1.5. So this problem is asked in your online examination last year. The force of attraction between two charges of 30 microcoulomb and 50 microcoulomb are separated by 1 meter and distance is 30.5. Then dielectric constant of medium. In this problem, we have to calculate dielectric constant. So dielectric constant, or in this numerical problem, we have to use this type of formula, F equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 into Q1 Q2 upon Kr square. And this formula we can modify it by K. So K equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 into Q1 Q2 upon Kr square. In this numerical problem, we have to find, we have to estimate, we have to calculate the value of K, and K be the dielectric constant, and therefore this formula we can modify it by K in this way. In this formula, we have to put those given value of Q1 is 30 and value of Q2 is 50. And this 1 meter distance, this is the value of R, and separated by 1 meter distance. So you get distance 1, and we have to find out or calculate the value of K, that is K equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 into Q1 Q2 upon R square or Kr square. So K is here, so upon R square, and find the value of dielectric constant 1.5 by using this formula. Keeping your mind, this formula or this numerical problem is same as this 2 problem or number 2 problem. Keeping your mind. Then calculate the electric field at a distance 2 meter from a Van de Graaff generator carrying a charge of 1 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. In this problem, some given parameters Q equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb, and R be the radius or distance 2 meter. So in this problem, we have to use numerical formula or formula equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 1 into 10 to the power minus 6 upon 2 into 2. So here equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 1 into 10 to the power minus 6 upon 2 into 2. So E equal to 2.25 into 10 to the power 15, and this is our answer, equal to 2.25 into 10 to the power 15. So in this problem, we have to given this distance or radius, because our Coulomb inverse square law is the force of attraction between 2 points, that is Q1 and Q2. So Q1 and Q2 equal to Q. So if you have to give one Q or one value of the electric charge, so you have to use capital Q. And if you have to give two charges, that is microcoulomb or coulomb, so you have to use Q1 and Q2. So this is the same formula Q1 and Q2 or Q, and those formula first you want to formula, or before that formula you want to which type of numerical problem given. So first you have to write, or first you read that problem, and after that you have to write some given parameters in your solution, and after that you have to use formula. Those formula is important in your given numerical problem. Student, here is important is conversion and formula. Both values is very important. Both parameter is very important. Formula and conversion. If in the numerical problem you have to given same unit in all parameters, so you does not convert these parameters in another conversion. For example, 1 centimeter distance, then value of Q in microcoulomb, then value of K. So in this case, microcoulomb and centimeter both are CGS system unit, and you have to do conversion in the meter or in MKS system. Or microcoulomb does not converts into coulomb, or centimeter does not converts in meters. So in this way you solve this numerical problem. You will practice in your home properly. Any doubt, any question, you ask me. So in your numerical problem, E equal to 2.25 into 10 to the power 15, and after that this value A equal to 2.25 into 10 to the power 15 volt per meter. This is the unit. Here is unit is important. Then some important formulae in this chapter. Number 1, electric potential. This electric potential denoted by V equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q upon R. Second, electric field intensity E equal to V upon D equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q upon D square. Then electric field equal to F upon Q0, that is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q upon R square. Then F equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q1 Q2 upon R square. And generally the value of epsilon 0 we have to given in the numerical problem. If this value does not given in the numerical problem, you have to remember in your mind. So epsilon 0 value of epsilon 0, this is the permeability, permittivity of free space 8.854 into 10 to the power minus 12 Coulomb square upon Newton meter square. Keep in your mind, this value is very important. On this particular value, question arises on your online examination. The value of epsilon 0 is, and you have to given some option for answer. So 8.8 into 10 to the power minus 12 or 8.854 into 10 to the power minus 12 Coulomb square upon Newton meter square. So student, this is very important formula. You have to read some formulas and use and solve some given numerical problem in your home. Again, I revise this formula. Here is electric potential V. Electric potential denoted by V, and V equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q upon R. Then electric field intensity E equal to V upon D. If you have to given in the numerical problem the value of V and value of D, so you have to use only this formula. If you have to given the value of Q, value of epsilon 0, value of D square, so after that you have to use this formula for electric field intensity 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q upon D square. Then electric field, this is F upon Q0. So this is the formula for electric field. But again, second formula 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q upon R square. So this formula depends on your numerical problem, those you have to given. And last F equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q1 Q2 upon R square. So here generally value of epsilon 0 given in the numerical problem. If this value does not given in the numerical problem, you have to remember this value epsilon 0, keep in your mind. So student, today I stop here. Any problem, any doubts, you ask me. Thank you very much.